with MRT, and today I am working on my roll cage, taking off these old pads that were on my roll cage, and I'm going to be putting new ones on it, which is called SFI rated, and that's required for this year. Let's see. Oh, also what is required is a Hans device, which attaches to my helmet and my body.
We're going to give you a 4-inch ratchet extension, and then sorry, I try my best.
I don't.
And then a 3/8 inch socket. And that should move stuff back in.
I feel like those people that go like that to it.
Yeah.
Okay, now like
You're gonna take these out.
So like that.
Yep, and then there you go.
Like this way?
Yep. Go for it. You're gonna take them both out because we're gonna take that vacuum plate off so we can get these off from there.
Doing it.
And while we're here, we'll check and make sure your brake light's working. Requirement for nighttime, Jr Dragster. Do a fine job. Oh, still doing a fine job. You almost got her. Okay. And then I'll loosen it. We'll just take the rest of this like so and spin it out because all it is, it's just pretty straight into the frame. It's kind of a long bolt. Just do that. Throw it down your cedar so don't lose it. Okay, you got it. Yank it. Is it stuck? Yeah, keep twisting.
I don't think that's helping, Rainey.
Kind of was a little, but.
Alright. Bango.
And we're back. It's been a whole night for us, or 1 second for you. So, we got my body back on the car, but I have a little story to tell you. We were going on a race, and the strap holding down my car broke loose and smashed into the wall of the trailer. So it's really beat up now. For continuing the season, we kind of just put duct tape around it to like make it look nicer. But now we are going to cut around here, make it look more like nicer. And then this piece of tape right here, from here down to the nose, we're gonna paint it black. So when we finish painting the nose of my car, or when we paint the nose of my car, we'll update you guys and show you how it turned out. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications so you never miss one of our videos. I cannot wait for the 2020 season.